Scott Susan, we're back, and I figured I'd just do an old update on the shipping container house build. So, a lot of y'all haven't seen my videos. Y'all should see them. Because, why not? You got nothing going on? Watch them. Anyway, so, this is where we're at currently. So, this is my kitchen. This is going to be my entryway to my dining room. This is my pantry door right here. The pantry should come out here like this. I may add another room here, or I may turn this into a firewood storage slash rat rod garage here, and put my Firebird here possibly. And we got some windows for upstairs. I got a bar cut out for the bar. My door back there is going to a half bath here, and then a laundry room over there on that side. Got a window put in. I'm gonna put skylights up here, and yeah. So this is my pantry. And then I got a upstairs bedroom. It's halfway together. I gotta put a frame up on the roof of the storage container there, and then bring it over. It's gonna be, this room will probably be 16 by 16 probably. And then on the gray storage container will be a deck on the outside of the storage container where you can walk out of this bedroom onto the outside deck there. And then I'll have a staircase coming down somewhere over here. And got more plans for it, but this is where we're at right now. It's getting there. Backside. Don't worry about my wrapping. I did it in the dark. I couldn't see for shit, so don't worry about my wrapping. But just know it's covered. Anyways, thanks for watching.